All right, so just the other day, I got on Gov Deals on the auction over there, and this is what we did here, y'all. We bought 8 of these. Oh, here we go. 8 53-inch tall tires by 16 by 20, dude. Damn! I mean, these things are brand new. They are brand new, never been mounted. I mean, you look inside the wheel here. These are brand new. They're not scuffed in there. You can see the paint. These never been mounted before at all. They're brand new. Got the stickers on them. They got the little nub still on them and everything.
They still have the O-rings.
Yeah.
For the air system zip tied to the wheel.
Dude, how awesome are these? We got 8 of them.
I'm gonna try and hurt my back and take one off now.
Oh, you want to?
Yeah, I do.
I bet you these things
stand one up.
These things probably weigh close to 500 pounds. Yeah, I would say like around the 500-pound mark is how much these weigh. But freaking muscles here. Don't hurt yourself, dude.
Holy shit.
Here comes the hernia. That's what we're gonna have to nickname these, hernia makers. Diesel, over here. Come here.
Oh my god.
You gonna flop it off the trailer? You can flop it off the trailer, man. Then we'll just pick it up.
Jesus.
Man, that's crazy. Let's turn it around here so we're not sitting in the sun. Oh, come on!
And you fail.
Get some!
Get some. Yeah, you can't get some, bro.
Here.
The heavy side's down.
Did this back in the day.
Yeah?
Yeah. Back when I was in the service, did this once or twice. Yeah. We might need both of us on this one. Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 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 You got it?
Yeah.
All right. It's a tall SOB, man. That is so tall.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Let's
bro.
let's wheel it over by the truck. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh.
If it falls over again, I'm gonna be pissed.
Don't let it land on you if it does. So, the plan right now is that, you okay? You all right?
Yep. Nope.
Jesus. Wow. Yeah, these aren't like your normal 35, just moving them around. Oh, man. Okay, this is a workout right here. We may want to do this more often. Yeah. Well, we are going to be doing this more often. All right, let me put the camera away. We need to get this over to the truck real quick.
One eternity later.
All right, that was afternoon PT. But look at this, you guys. All right, so, oh my gosh, dude. This is so ridiculously looking.
I told you.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
He told me, he's like, dude, you sure you want to do 53s? Or like a 54? Actually, go grab your tape measure. Let's see how tall these really are. I got it. Because the website says that these are a 53 on the Michelin website. I don't know if that's like with it inflated inside a wheel or not, but I'm just grabbing the tape measure. We'll figure it out. No buenos? Okay. He's taking a sweet time. It's okay. That's me. Take a little bit of a break here. Huffing and puffing, old man.
Bigger than the truck.
These are bigger than the truck, dude. All right. What do you?
53.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little shy of 53.
Okay.
To the center of the leg.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a, I guess to the very top, it'd be like a 53.
Yeah.
You know, side lugs would be like a 52 and a half, 52. But, you got it?
Yep.
I mean, look at that. So, challenges that we're gonna have to face here. Obviously, we can't use these wheels that they come in because they're a 10 lug. And actually, these wheels are positive offset. When they mount on a striker, yeah, these are off of a Army striker. You look that up, I'll show a picture of it. You flip them around, they mount inbound like that. So we're gonna have to take those wheels, dismount them. We're gonna get some 20s. That's on Mama's Excursion over there. We just put those on Melissa's Excursion. 155 bucks a piece for those 20s down at Discount Tire. So that's pretty darn cheap. Yeah, we'll end up putting them on those, and then we're gonna have to put a little bit of lift on the truck, but I want to try to cut it out, the fenders out as much as possible, do a minimum lift. So our obvious spots that we're gonna freaking run into right now is these doors. We can't cut into the door. Like, I don't mind cutting in the fender here, but those doors, man. So the wheels that we're looking at, 4 inches of back spacing, and then we're gonna have to put on like 3-inch spacers as well, just so we can get them to stick out enough. But we're gonna end up doing, we gotta do some measurements here soon. We're gonna end up doing like 6 inches or, let's see here. We're gonna have to end up doing like 6 inches or 8 inches of lift on the truck, and then the rest will be fender trim. But we ain't doing nothing to the axles. We're not re-gearing it yet. We ain't doing nothing to the transmission. All you guys gonna be like, oh, you're gonna blow your axles out. You're gonna blow up your transmission. Bang, it's gonna fall apart. I don't care. I don't care, dude. This is stupidity at maximum level. This is stupidity at a cyclic rate, all right? We're just coming stupid and hard. And someone already gave me a nickname for the truck.
Oh, yeah?
Stupid duty. Yeah, so we're Stupid Duty is what we're gonna call it, dude. This is gonna be so badass. Anyways, if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe right now, man. Get over there, hit that subscribe button, just bam, knock that motherfucker out of the heart. All right, sorry. Get over there and knock that thing, just hit it hard, okay? Apologize, my language, the sailor in me is freaking getting excited. I mean, this is cool, y'all. So anyways, you guys have a good one. We'll talk to you on the next one, all right?
Happy Thanksgiving!
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Dude, that's cool.